Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and if you can hear this, that's what we'll be fixing today. So it's a pretty simple fix. We'll start by getting 2 wrenches that will fit on the actual hose nozzle and its adapter, and we're just going to turn this counterclockwise in order to take this off. It was pretty loose as it was, and I didn't really even see much Teflon on here in the first place, so we went ahead and removed this. As we look at our fitting, it's going to turn in clockwise as it screws in, and that's the same direction we're going to want to go with our Teflon tape. That way it doesn't fight against it and bunch up, but rather accepts it as it goes in. So we're going to turn the fitting this way, or basically wrap it clockwise with the Teflon tape. We'll have a little bit hanging off the edge here, but notice how we left a few of the threads open as well, and that will help as you start to thread it, that it will thread properly, and then as it tightens up, you should need the wrench, as we do in this case, to really get this to go snug. So now we're just reinstalling this, turning it clockwise, and you'll feel that pressure as you turn it, and that will be the Teflon tape as it's making its seal on the threads. And now for the test, we'll turn it on here. And it sounds pretty good. So please check the video description. I have a whole playlist of videos that are similar to this, and if you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe. Thanks, guys.